Hello everyone, my name is Cristian Negulescu and today I will present you a new feature of connector for ServiceNow. So from UiPath, you download the latest connector, should be 170 something. Yeah, today on this video, I will present this non-scope activity. So what's the idea with non-scope activity? Normally when you use a ServiceNow connector, you drag and drop the ServiceNow application scope, and inside of this scope, you put all the activities, yeah? And all the activities will take automatically the connection that you have on the scope. But sometimes it's not so easy to make a design with a scope, yeah? So I create these non-scope activities that are activities to add, to delete, to update. Again, you get the list of all the objects here if they are loaded, to get data. So, and this stuff can be used outside of the scope. So what's the idea? Let's say that you have a complex workflow like this, yeah? And inside of this complex workflow, you want to add a delete activity here for the ServiceNow, yeah? So instead of putting a scope here in a workflow and so on, you just drag and drop the non-scope activity, put it here, and do your job. Now, there is a disadvantage with the non-scope activity. So let's understand the disadvantage. So this is the advantage of the design. The disadvantage is like this. So if you want to have wizards inside of the non-scope activity, so normally you have wizard inside of the scope where you are connected, yeah? So if you want to have a wizard on the non-scope activity, you need to have a scope with a test connection, and the system will know the general connection, yeah? So using the general connection, the system will be able to load all the activity, all the items, for example, incident. Okay, good. And now I will put my data here, yeah? If I don't have this, this general connection, I have to go here and write incident, yeah? Again, if I want to add something, I have all the objects now loaded. If I don't have the object, I have to go here and put the object name, yeah? I need to know the object name, in my case, incident, okay? And here on the wizard, because it's outside of the scope, he has just add parameters, yeah? So you have to know and add your parameters and add your value. But for the design, or for the design of the workflow, can be very, very useful, these non-scope activities that are add, delete, and you have here a SQL. You provide him the SQL, and he will create, he will generate your data table and a JSON response. On these non-scope activities, you are able to put the connection. So everything here is with secure string and so on, because they are production. So you can put username, password, consumer key, consumer secret, also endpoint, yeah? Or you can reuse, yeah? You can reuse an existing connection. For example, from a scope activity, you have here the result, it's existing connection, yeah? So on your non-scope activity, you just reuse. You say, I want with authentication and service. So in this way, you are able to reuse a general connection and you can run your activities. Thank you very much for watching. Have a good one.